All right, welcome to week 12. We're going to get into inventory. We've talked some about inventory, certainly in the earlier chapters. It has impacts from what we discussed in quality and productivity. We discussed how even if you're in a service organization, you often need inventory in order to run your business. So chapter 13 is inventory. That's our kind of second chapter in the run the system, and then we'll wrap up with our last two. So we won't move on with another simulation this week. Simulation 3 was pretty challenging, so I'll regroup on that before we considered looking at simulation 4. So our learning objectives are really want to develop some skills and some knowledge around the terms and calculations related to inventory. A little different approach this week. While I have a video of some content points that'll help you get your head around the material, and then of course to learn smart to actually read the chapter, there's just one homework problem. There are several quantitative approaches in inventory, but we're just going to look at one of them this week, and then the only thing that'll be in next week's schedule, since it's a holiday week, is a couple homework problems related to economic order quantity and replenishment. The other item we're trying that's a little different is there are two video questions, and so there's a short tutorial video, and then it's associated with it is 3 questions on cost of inventory, and then there's a short safety stock video with again 3 questions related to how safety stock, or the purpose of safety stock. So a little different approach on that side this week. Lots of new terms. These are terms that businesses are getting very comfortable with using, especially pipeline inventory, cycle stock, holding costs, carrying costs, ordering costs. So the language of inventory is really becoming important these days. So watch for these as you go through the chapter materials.